Is up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. Today we are hoping to solve one of our issues that we thought we solved 2 times now. But yeah, hopefully solving our false rev limiter limp mode issue that randomly pops up. So you're gonna have to stay tuned for this one and hopefully we get her fixed. So rock on. We were able to tell that I had ran that. So I'm going to kind of show you guys. Alrighty, y'all, so we got ourselves a Dragonfire distributor. This is the part number for the B Series VTEC. Right there. They come red. So you don't have a whole lot of options anymore as far as B Series distributors go. Unless you can find a new old stock Honda one. You're just not going to find an OEM Honda one anymore unless you know somebody that knows somebody, but they're discontinued, so aftermarket's really the only way to go. Dragonfire is an aftermarket company, obviously, but they're supposed to be better than OEM. I'm going to get the car off the trailer. I haven't touched the car since the last race. It's just been sitting on the trailer in the garage since last weekend, so we'll get it off. Throw this bad boy in, take it for a drive. So we got the car off the trailer. Yeah, so I was just kind of revving it up as I pulled it off the trailer, and it was doing its goofy rev limiter thing. I don't have launch control turned on, I have that turned off. So it should not be hitting a fake rev limiter like at 2,500 RPMs it was hitting it at. So we're gonna swap out this cheap Amazon one, and hopefully that Dragonfire will take care of our problems. I did throw some painter's tape on here. I didn't cut enough of a chunk out of the hood, and it was actually rubbing on the oil cap catch can deal there. So I definitely got to make some modifications yet to the hood to clear that a little bit better also. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to move the spark plug wires from here to their corresponding spot on the new distributor, and then she should be good to go. Got the spark plug wires on, should be good there. Yeah, in case you guys are wondering, literally the only tool you need, I used a 12mm wrench and a 12mm socket with an extension. That's literally all you need. It took, less than 10 minutes for me to do that, so not too bad. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go in the car and see if she fires up, and oh yeah, probably should connect the cable. So yeah, I'll do that first and then we'll start it. What we're gonna do is we're gonna hook up the laptop, go into the Honda S Manager, and we're gonna data log and drive around and see if it acts up. If it does, we'll capture it. We'll be able to see, what it was doing when that happened. So we'll get the laptop hooked up and we'll go for a spin. Okay, y'all, here we go. I'm gonna go for a little rip and see what we can come up with. I'm not recording quite yet. I'm trying to get down the road from my house where I can get to a you know, clean spot where there's not a bunch of houses and a bunch of people and that sort of thing. So I don't like beating on this thing around, you know, people around this area. I just don't want them to think that I'm some hoodlum or something, even though I kind of am. So we're just pulling out onto the highway here. I'm gonna hit record and we're gonna hammer down. So we did develop our first check engine light yet. It says code 9 cylinder sensor. So I gotta look up what that is, but I'm not really sure offhand. So I just got back, guys, and I looked up the code 9, and basically that's like the cylinder 1 position sensor. So that's basically what, you know, that tells the ECU what the firing order is and all that stuff. So yeah, pretty much it's bad in the distributor. That's basically what it boils down to. So I'm on my 4th distributor getting bad ones here. So I'm gonna send that one back and I'm gonna try getting another one. If if we can't get this right on the next one, I'm just gonna go coil on plug and not even worry about this. I've heard people having these crazy issues. I didn't think it would happen to me. It's kind of BS. I just wish I could buy a damn OEM distributor nowadays, but can't. So we'll get another one coming. I'll probably just order one now and we'll add it onto this video yet. So it'll be a few days. Hey guys, so it's been about a week now. What we ended up doing was sending back the old one, and we got a brand new one sent back to us. So we're gonna get that that one installed here and go for another test drive. I might drive it around for a little bit and not beat on it, and just see if the check engine light comes on. Because like before, I took it out, revved the piss out of it, came on. So I'm just gonna try and drive it around a little bit and see what we can come up with. So yeah, we got another brand spanking new one here. So fingers crossed that this one's okay. Yeah, if it's not, I'm literally just gonna send that one back and order a coil on plug kit from Burton Racing and be done with it. Problem is we're gonna miss the track day coming up, 4th of July weekend, which is next weekend at Blackhawk Farms, because I think they have like a 2 or 3 week lead time, and I have to send the ECU out and have them put a board in it as well. So yeah, so we'll get this one slapped in there and go for a test drive and see what we got. So they chip sealed my damn road this week, and it's like solid gravel. So I'm trying to get off of this road. Freaking gravel flying everywhere. Oh my god, that was like a mile from hell. So we're gonna put a few miles on it and just kind of drive it around a little bit and see what she does. So we're on the highway right now. Sorry if it's loud. It's hotter than hell, so I got the windows down. But I've only hit VTEC one time, maybe took it to like 5 grand. Haven't hit it hard yet, but so far so good. So I don't want to speak too soon, but we'll keep driving it, and eventually here I'll get on it a little bit more. Well, for the moment, I think we can call her good. So I must have just got a faulty one from Dragonfire from the get-go, because I took this one to the rev limiter and the check engine light hasn't came on. So yeah, we're just gonna keep running it, and if we have issues, we'll just go coil on plug. But for now, I don't know what I can say about the Dragonfire stuff. I guess, is it 1 out of 1,000 that has issues? 1 out of 100? 1 out of 10? I don't know. Just build quality, I mean, seemed good, but obviously they've got issues if I had one go bad right away. So I think we're gonna end it right there, guys. Be good, like, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and we'll see you guys here soon at Black Hawk Farm. So catch you later.